Imagine a battlefield where no human pulls the trigger. Instead, a vast network of algorithms makes decisions in milliseconds. Enemies are identified, their movements tracked, and their intentions predicted with a chilling, near-perfect precision. No, this isn't science fiction. It's the reality of 21st century warfare, happening right now. At the heart of this revolution is a program that would change everything. Meet Project Maven. Officially, the algorithmic warfare cross-functional team. This secretive Pentagon initiative was born out of necessity. Its creation in 2017 marked a pivotal moment, an admission that the future of military dominance wouldn't just be fought with jets and tanks, but with data and code. Project Maven was designed to rewrite the fundamental rules of engagement for the digital age. Its initial mission sounded deceptively simple. Use AI to sift through the colossal mountains of video footage collected by military drones. We're talking about thousands of hours of high-resolution video streamed every single day, an impossible task for human analysts. They were drowning in data, facing extreme cognitive burnout, and missing critical intelligence hidden in the noise. Humans couldn't keep up with the data, but AI could. To build this system, the Department of Defense turned to Silicon Valley's undisputed leader in AI, Google. But this collaboration immediately ignited a firestorm. The partnership sparked unprecedented outrage inside the tech giant, leading to employee resignations and a fierce internal debate about the ethics of building technology for war, a conflict that would have massive repercussions. The genesis of Project Maven was a data problem. Military drones collected thousands of hours of video daily, far too much for human analysts to review. The solution was advanced computer vision. At its core, Maven's algorithms were trained to automatically identify and tag objects, distinguishing a civilian vehicle from a military truck, or spotting unusual activity amidst the noise of everyday life. But Maven's AI does more than just see. It learns and contextualizes. By analyzing patterns of movement over time, known as pattern of life analysis, it establishes a baseline of normal activity. When deviations occur, the system flags them as potential threats, prioritizing them for human review. This transforms raw data into actionable intelligence in near real time. Initially focused on drone video, Maven's scope rapidly expanded. It began ingesting data from a multitude of sources: satellite imagery, signals intelligence, and cyber data. This marked its transition from a simple object recognition tool to a sophisticated multi-domain intelligence engine. Recognizing its foundational importance, the project was integrated into the Pentagon's Central AI Hub, the Joint Artificial Intelligence Center, or JIC. Today, its capabilities are woven into modern military operations. Maven's algorithms power predictive models that forecast enemy movements. They enable autonomous navigation for surveillance drones, allowing them to track targets without constant human piloting. The technology even enhances battlefield communication networks, ensuring critical intelligence is routed to the right units at the right time, creating a more responsive force. But this leap forward forces an uncomfortable question. Who makes the final call when an AI identifies a target? We are entering a legal and ethical gray zone. The speed of algorithmic warfare could soon outpace human deliberation, creating scenarios where life and death decisions are made in microseconds, potentially without meaningful human oversight. Military officials insist there's always a human in the loop, but critics are skeptical, warning of automation bias, the tendency to overtrust the machine. The fear is that the human operator becomes a formality, simply rubber-stamping AI decisions without fully grasping the context, turning a critical safeguard into a procedural checkbox. The US isn't developing this in a vacuum. An AI arms race is accelerating. China has stated its goal of global AI dominance by 2030, with military applications as a key driver. Russia is also aggressively developing its own AI-driven military systems, creating a high-stakes competition where falling behind isn't an option. Defense analysts believe Maven has already been deployed in counterterrorism operations. Its task? Process the overwhelming flood of data from surveillance drones. Thousands of hours of video that would take human teams weeks to analyze. Maven's algorithms reportedly flagged insurgent activity patterns, like the planting of IEDs, days before human analysts noticed them. The Pentagon frames Maven as a tool for augmenting human decision-making, but the project's secrecy, coupled with its controversial origins, a partnership with Google that ended after employee protests, fuels public distrust. This rebellion highlighted a deep ethical divide, and very little about Maven's exact capabilities is public even today. Experts predict that by 2030, AI will handle most intelligence analysis. Maven is seen as the foundation for a grander vision, a full-spectrum AI battle network. This concept, known as JDC2, aims to link every sensor to every shooter, from satellites to soldiers, into a single, intelligent, and brutally efficient network. Is Project Maven a necessary breakthrough, or a terrifying warning sign of war beyond human control? The answer is likely both. One thing is certain: the future of conflict is being written in code, and Project Maven is Chapter 1. For more deep dives into the technology shaping our world, hit subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to know what's coming next.